Okay, we're gonna go over the muscles of the eye.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah, so I could see it.
First of all, this bone right here is the maxilla. And this bone up here is going to be the frontal bone. So this is going to go in between there. So we're going to start on the top. This is the superior rectus. And this piece over here is going to be the superior oblique. This one right here is the lateral rectus. And through here, this piece on the other side, it's the same as this one, but this one is called the medial rectus. There you go. And this one on the bottom is going to be the inferior rectus. This piece down in here, let me see if I can get this one. This one right here is going to be the inferior oblique. And the superior oblique we already went over. There we go. This right in here is going to be the optic nerve. Can you see that?
In there, yeah. I'm in there.
Okay. This is the optic nerve.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to switch it around to the front so you can see everything else. Ready? So, right here, we have the lacrimal gland. This right here is the superior and the inferior caniculi. I think it's canaliculi. I don't know how to say it exactly. Right, this right in here is going to be the lacrimal sac. And this is the nasolacrimal duct. And these two little slits right here on the front are going to be the superior and the inferior puncta. Okay? And then we'll go over the eye more in the lateral view. Good. Alright, so we're going to go over the eye in the side view. So like they took the eye and they cut it in half basically. So we're going to start right here. And this piece right here is the lens. This piece that goes right in here is the pupil. This big sac right here is the aqueous humor. We're going to have these little pieces right here are going to be the iris. These little ligaments right here are the suspensory ligaments. This piece right here on the side and down here is the ciliary body. And all of this white around the eye is the sclera. Alright, and there is a bunch of fluid that goes up in this part, which is called the vitreous humor. And then we're going to flip it to the other side and look at more of it. Alright ladies, we're going to go over the other side of the eye. So this part up here that's pink and it has all the, looks like veins on it, is going to be the choroid. This brown part is going to be the retina. And the yellow part down here is going to be the vitreous humor, which is the fluid inside your eye. And all of the white is going to be the sclera. Now this muscle right here is going to be the medial muscle. I'm sorry, the medial rectus. Because it'll be on the inside of your eye. You're not really going to be able to see it in the other view. And this white, this clear stuff right up here in the front is going to be the aqueous humor, which you can see on the other side. This piece back in here is going to be the optic nerve. This is the piece that comes off the back of the eye. And I think that's everything for this side. Ready? Okay, this is going to be the layers of the retina. Now up here at the tippy top, this is going to be the nerve fiber layer, which is all this right here. This right here is going to be the ganglion cell layer. This right here is going to be the inner plexiform layer. This in here is the inner nuclear layer, which I believe is also called the bipolar cell layer. This is going to be the outer plexiform layer. Then we have the outer nuclear layer, which is all this in here.
The one he told us not to look at.
Then we have the outer lining membrane,
All the functions are in the concept.
which is this right here.
There's so many.
Then we have the photoreceptor layer, which is this in here.
I did. It's crazy. I don't think I even really.
And then we have the pigment
But I didn't
epithelium,
even. I was just like, all right, okay.
which are down in here, and on the bottom is the choroid.
I wish in the beginning.
And that's everything.